Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day in our farm because it's finally time to harvest our potatoes. After months of planting, earthing up the soil and taking care of the crop, the moment we were waiting for is here. Potato farming teaches us patience. From the day we planted the potato seed in the soil, we kept hoping for healthy growth and a good harvest. Potato plants usually takes about 3 to 4 months, that is 90 to 120 days, to grow from planting to harvesting. Every small step matters. Preparing the land, adding organic manure like pig waste and cow dung. Now, as we dig into the soil, it feels like opening a treasure box. Seeing fresh, healthy potatoes coming out of the ground brings so much happiness. It is not just about vegetables. It is about the reward of hard work and dedication. Harvesting potatoes helps us save some money because we do not need to buy them from the market. Homegrown potatoes are fresh, organic, and healthier for our family. While harvesting, we also need to be careful not to damage the potatoes with tools. Good harvesting keeps them fresh for storage and selling. We also share the harvest to our friends and to our near and dear ones. Besides that, we also sell some few potatoes as the prices are high compared to the market potatoes. We also collect the leftover potato plants because they are useful for our pig feed. In our farm, nothing goes to waste. It also lowers feeding cost, which is very helpful for small farmers. Pig farming and potato farming works well together because one supports the other. This is why farming is so important. Even with a small piece of land, we can grow food, support our family, and become more self-dependent. It reminds us that we should not wait for perfect timing to start. Small efforts can create big results. I feel proud and thankful today. A garden, a few vegetables, or a small farm can bring both happiness and income. I hope this vlog inspires you to start growing something of your own, even if it is small. After collecting the potatoes, we clean and dry them. Some will be kept for home use and some for selling purpose. For me, this harvest is not only about potatoes, but also about hope. Sometimes the yields are high, sometimes low, but the experience always makes us stronger and wiser. Farming may look simple, but it needs love, patience, and hard work. And when the harvest day comes, all the efforts feels worth it. Thank you so much for watching my potato harvest vlog.